It's me, Gracie, together with my mom. But my mom, sorry guys, she don't like to participate here during live streams. That's why you always see me that I'm alone in live stream. So she like only on vlog. So on live stream, she didn't like. So because she is shy. She's shy, my mom. She's shy. She's shy. La 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 la. Bakit ka nakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang at sasaktan, kung siya'y higit sa akin. Siya'y higit sa akin. Naroon man ang pagdaramdam nito, aking kakayanin.
Ay, sugod na ba ta?
Ay, maghimo tagkuan highlights. Highlights. Dapat Gracie ma'am tayong dalawa sa highlights eh.
Now, kali ko ano dako na ho tanawa.
Ay, ganang puro na doon.
Kaya agana.
Ha? Parang wala naman eh.
O di ka to mo.
Ito na lang ah.
Na day highlights.
No, paglilihan. Ayan, dito. Yan na. Sis Beth!